Here we go again at the Bat Show. This is yours truly, Batman. And today we have a special performance by none other than yung pinakamahal na babae ni Superman. The woman that caught Superman's heart will give us a rousing dance number. So let's give it up for Supergirl! Magkakaskandalo dito sa podcast ko.